Ana Ramos Pinto, the founder of the house, chose as his motto the Latin phrase In Hoc Signo Vinces. That means, with this symbol, you will win. Since 1880, through successive generations, the results of this property's vision have materialized. Today, Ana Rosas, great-nephew of the founder, looks to the future of Ramos Pinto with that same innovative and pioneering spirit. The launch of Vinces carries the legacy of its ancestors, yet speaks of contemporary elegance. This very old Tawny, with an average age of 100 years, comes from the house reserves. Aged in wooden barrels, Vinces was perfected by Ana Rosas, great niece of the founder and master blender at Ramos Pinto. Of amber colour, with slight accents of olive green surrounded by a deep mahogany-coloured core, Vinces is a succession of opulent and seductive aromas, a wine of extraordinary depth, which surprises with its multiple layers and dimensions of aromas, freshness and weight. Simply sublime. Vinces is inspired by a centuries-old tradition, the fine art of welcoming guests by offering them the best port in the house. After the host chose the most special wine, it would be poured with the utmost care into a round-bottomed decanter. Sitting at the table, the host would pass it around to the guests until it was empty, and then place it in the base kept in their pocket. Because of its round bottom, no guest could ever put the decanter down. Only the host had that privilege. Vinces has become part of this notable tradition of sharing at the table with family and friends. Be part of this legacy and continue this tradition with one of Vinces' limited edition bottles.